My name is Kalim Sawires. I'm the Director of Service Delivery for Dell's Data Center Solutions. Today I'm here to talk to you about the innovative services that we provide for DCS. DCS can be broken up into three businesses, distinct: DCS Classic, PowerEdge C, and Modular Data Centers. I will save Modular Data Centers for another day, and instead I'm going to focus on the services we provide for DCS Classic and then relate them to how we deliver in PowerEdge C. So the first service that we provide in the Classic space is what's called a fulfillment service. It's provided by my service account managers. That service really takes our business from concept, where a solution architect in the field is working with the customer, all the way through the design processes: concept, solution, rack design, bill of materials, make sure we're material ready, server build, rack integration, logistics, deployment, handover to customer. That's all done with what's called a customer requirements document. We manage that process. We manage all the customer interaction end to end, and we work with all those disparate teams. Unique in our business as far as I know. The second service that we provide is really a portion of that, which is the rack integration service. We provide rack integration globally. We provide it to our customers in a copy exact fashion to via seven global integration facilities, and so if you buy a rack worth of servers in the US or a rack worth of servers in Japan, they're going to look the same with the exception of perhaps the power receptacles. The process, our rack integration process, has been refined significantly over the years, and so it's not just about doing cabling and labeling of the racks. It's really about doing that process through full validation, ensuring that we have every port on every server connected to the right top of rack switch port. It's about ensuring that we have every single firmware and BIOS in every server and every piece of equipment at the same revision consistently for potentially 100 racks that are delivered across the globe. So that service is we've driven a lot of innovation in that service. We've taken our business really to the next step in terms of consistent delivery from that perspective. Our goal always is to have those servers arrive on the customer's site and available to be energized. We call it arrive and alive in 5. That's here in the deployment phase, arrive and alive in 5. Of course, our customers typically want to go through more extensive validation once they've loaded their operating systems. They also want to go through a full wire check. We support that with our deployment services, so we can support any of those services that they like. Once deployment is complete, then we will hand it over to the sustaining operations. Sustaining operations is, again, nothing like you would see in a normal PowerEdge piece of business. It is custom for DCS Classic. Everything from our technical account management, we call them service delivery managers. Those technical account managers do remote troubleshooting, coordinating technicians and on-site parts, and direct escalation paths to engineering. Again, very different from PowerEdge Normal or any Pro Support Normal, where our customers have direct tie-in to engineering. The warranty parts process is also very unique to our Classic business. That parts process includes a next business day offering. We have a central hub, and we have a hub and spoke model. That hub will give us next business day parts within a order by 4 p.m. and you get it on site next business day at 10 a.m. For some of our customers with large data centers, we also have on-site parts, and the difference between that on-site parts program and anything you would see in PowerEdge Normal is this is all Dell-owned equipment, Dell-owned tools, Dell-owned processes. That's all managed by our business. And then, of course, we also have field services. For some of those customers, some of those customers want self-maintained maintenance. Other customers, they need us to come on site, once or twice a week to do scheduled on site, to take care of their RMAs. We have some customers that want dedicated 8x5, and we even have a few that need 7x24 4-hour response. Although that's pretty interesting for a hyperscale customer, because typically applications that scale out don't require that type of service. So it's a unique few applications that need that. The value, that's really all custom to DCS Classic. Now, in the PowerEdge C, we started at the opposite extreme, which is, hey, we're going to do all of our service as Dell normal as possible. We run them through the same plays, etc. However, there are a couple of areas where we've leveraged the innovation that we put in DCS Classic. So the fulfillment services, that's one area that's a significant improvement in DCS that the Classic business has gone and transformed into the PEC business, and then rack integration as well. We've taken rack integration and really pushed the rack integration Classic value proposition into the PEC business. So those are some of the incremental improvements you get when you buy PEC product over regular PowerEdge. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, or you'll have my email address. And thanks again for your time.